Okay, guys, quick update with Bitcoin. Guys, I've been a little under the weather, so I haven't put up a video in a while. I'm just now kind of feeling a little better, so bear with me. I hope I can get through this. So this is a level that I talked about 2 videos back, this yellow macro trend line. If we get above that and hold, I think we have a lot more upside. You can see we're trying to push above it now. We'll see what happens. In this video, I will be picking the 2 coin winners from 2 videos back. So I'll do a random comment selector, and we'll find out who those winners are. So let's get through this. I want to make sure you have your levels and just cover everything one chart at a time. Guys, Coincatch is having some kind of special. They're doing airdrops and rewards and sign-up bonuses. A lot of exchanges are trying to get you to switch over to them. So if you want to take advantage of that, again, this is going on with Coincatch from November 7th through November 13th. If you want to sign up, again, my link is pinned in the first comment description. If you want to learn how to trade on Coincatch, set up an account, transfer funds, understanding how to use the tools to trade, this is a tutorial video I made. I'll put a link to you now if you want to check it out. I also have 2 other no KYC options for you, Belowfin and BitUnix. Those links are also pinned in the first comment description. And again, Coincatch is no KYC. So the last video I told you guys, this was 5 days ago. So look, if we get a daily, and you can see down below, I closed captions on. If we get an open below 70K, we bearish down to 68,700. So I was saying pay attention, see if we get a daily open below, and you can see we did get that daily open below, and we started dropping. This is your next major support level, was around 66,700. Remember this orange macro trend line. If we get above that and hold the support, that is a bullish. We did get a Trump pump. Trump won. The red wave was just crazy, and obviously Bitcoin pushed up. Now this was a target I gave you. This was the last video. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. This is the one I'm picking the coin winners. And this was what I was talking about. I said if we push up, pay attention. This is the last major resistance level that I have on my chart. That was around 76,347. And you can see that is where we're currently at now. And I will show you the next upside targets that I'm paying attention to, but we still have to get above this point. So look, if we get a daily open above this, I think that will be bullish. Otherwise, we could come back to test our previous high. So I'm going to give you, if you're not currently in, I'm going to give you an export level to enter along. And you might want a chance to short here. It's up to you. You could wait and see how this plays out the next daily open. But I want to give you these levels. And in Discord, guys, I keep you updated. Well, at least, if you're signed up. If you do want to sign up, get access to charts in Discord. You can sign up through the website. It's opticrypto.com. If you do sign up, make sure you email me through the website. You can pay with USDT as well, but you can email me through the website. Just click on the contact page. But, I was keeping everybody updated. See a daily open below. We can come down and test this fib channel line. And I said if we continue up, the next target up 70.5K, showing your resistance level here. You can see we hit it. We got a perfect rejection, so you could have gone in heavy on a scalp short. We came down, back to support. And then obviously, Trump was in the lead. Everybody got excited. Bitcoin pushed up. And then you see we got a perfect rejection of that fib channel. Guys, these charts are dead on accurate. But again, what I was showing was this yellow macro trend line I've been talking about for a while, and that's where we got rejected. So that's what we're going to cover. So let's go ahead and let me show you these key levels to pay attention to. So as you can see, we pushed up and we got a rejection. So again, this is up to you. If you're long from below, when you want to hold your long, stay long. I'm not saying to close your longs. You could open a scalp short. Remember, you could be long from below and you can take profit on your short at a certain point while holding your long. It's just called hedging. But that level right now, let me find my price label here. Let's see. Bear with me, guys. Okay, so this is the current level you're paying attention to. Right here, basically, it's pretty much right at 76,087, or let's say 76,100. If the next daily open is above 76,200, guys, that is going to be bullish. I'll show you the upside targets on D1 Simple. If we come down, we do have some matching support levels below. Now, this was our previous all-time high at 73,800, around there. You can see we have a fib channel line in this direction, and we have our horizontal support. So that will be a lot of support. That matches on the, you can see this is the H1 chart. Notice we got a perfect rejection right here at this red fib channel line, which was pretty much in confluence with the yellow macro trend line. So your current resistance on the hourly It's right at 76,586. Next resistance level just above is 77,800. But as you can see, we do have matching support levels. Again, there's a fib channel line here the price has been respecting, and we have horizontal support. So again, if we drop down a good entry, a long entry would be around 73,800, 73,900. Obviously, if that breaks, well, your next level below would be around 71,893 down to 69,900. Again, these are on the hourly. But again, like I said, because we are at this level, and again, I can zoom out. This goes back since the beginning of Bitcoin. I'm on the daily. I don't want to switch to the weekly. But you can see that this yellow macro trend line, it goes way back. I mean, it goes all the way back. This is 2013. You can see it was support. You can see here it was support and resistance. It was support, resistance, support, more support, more support, more support. Keep going. It was resistance. You can see it was resistance temporarily. Then you can see it held as support and resistance. So we're at that level now, and you can see that if you follow this back, this green line right here, if we just follow it, you can see that this was resistance, right? Resistance here. We had resistance here. And that just happens to be right at this area here. Now, if we break above this, and it's very possible we could, that's why I said watch for the next daily open, it looks like your next possible target, if you connect these wicks, so I was talking about the green line, right? But this blue line right here, if you connect these wicks, that gives us a target of, we're talking about up around 90,000, 94,000, depending when you make contact. I'm just saying that if you connect those wicks, that is a target. It's very possible you can push that high, but again, I mean, we don't know how high we'll go. I'm just telling you that's a target to watch. That would be a point to open a short or, again, take profit. It's up to you. But we are at a resistance level, so in my opinion, I would short this area just because of how significant this is. This is our previous highs, right, connected. And we have this fib channel line, this macro yellow trend line going since the beginning of Bitcoin. So I think it'd be smart to open a scalp short, or if you're not in, just open a short and have your stop above that point. Or you could wait until the next daily open, see if we hold above 76,300. That would be bullish. Again, if that holds as support. Otherwise, like I said, your next entry would be down around 73,800, and that is matching support levels. 73,800. Again, that's because we have this fib channel line in this direction that was being respected and our previous all-time high. And again, if that breaks, guys, well, your more macro support levels, we know that your next support level is going to be 70,900. And then this orange macro trend line would be 69,300 down to 68,963. If we get below those points, guys, well, then we should start looking at some more downside targets. These are your most critical support levels. I've talked about this orange macro trend line going, for the past, 3 or 4 months. Those are your most critical support levels, but for right now, the one you're watching right now, if you have not entered, is around 73,800. Again, matching targets. So again, I think that opening short here would be ideal. Again, not saying close your long. I'm just saying if you're looking for a scalp short, this looks like an ideal point to open a short and wait to see if we get a daily open above or below, and that will tell us which direction we might be going. Let's see, so that gives you your daily and your hourlies. So let's go ahead and let's pick these coin winners. Remember, guys, if you do want to get a leverage trading, remember Coincatch is no KYC. If you want to sign up, that link's pinned in the first comment description. I have 2 other exchanges that are no KYC as well. And do check out this tutorial video if you want to learn how to trade. So let's go ahead and pick these coin winners, guys. So I already have this video here, Bitcoin Bull Run or Rug Pull Soon, 2 silver Bitcoin giveaway. I've already put the address in here, so let's do fetch. All right, include replies, sure. So hit continue. All right, see how long this takes. Loading the comments. All right. Let's pick the winner. All right, the winner is, our first winner, number 1, is Giant Killin 8278. All right, so if you are a winner, all you need to do is email me through the website, guys. Just go to my website, optarchcrypto.com, go to the contact page and email me. I'll give you directions on what to do. I'll give you a code to edit your comment so I know it's your comment. And let's pick the second winner. Let's see. And the next winner is Matthew Guillotine 892. So again, those are the two winners. Just make sure you email me through the website. I'll give you directions to confirm that you are the one that left that comment, and we will get those coins shipped out to you. We pay for shipping. So guys, that's pretty much it. Just pay attention on the hourly. These are your targets, and we are at a critical resistance level. Again, if the next daily opens below this point, I think we can see some downside. Just pay attention to these targets, guys. This is a very critical resistance. If we hold above 62,300, we have a lot of upside. Otherwise, come down and start testing some of these lower support levels. This is the D1 simple chart, and this is the D1 chart with some fib channels. But 73,000 here looks like your strongest support level, so you might want to take profit and short at this point. If we get daily open below that, then we're headed down to 70,900. But if we hold above 76,200, guys, we have a lot of upside. And just to give you an next key fib channel lines above on the D1 chart, you're looking at 77,400. That matches on the H1 chart. And then just above is around 79,192. These will be respected as points too long and short. But again, I am very bullish if we hold above this yellow macro trend line. And as I said, I am bullish above this orange macro trend line, which we're way above right now. That's pretty much it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.